GRIMECA semi-hydraulic brake pump. We have the cable coming, the normal cable coming from the lever. It's moving this lever, and there is the hose with the brake fluid. Forget to bleed it without any special tool. It's very hard. A bubble always sits here somewhere, and this lowers, of course, the function of the brake. It's very hard to bleed. So what I want to show you how easy it is if you use the right toy. And that's a compressed air bleeder, and it's one of my most favorite tools in the workshop. I spend hours, really hours, to bleed brakes, and I failed. It was so fucking annoying. But with this tool, it is so easy. Few minutes and the job is done. And it's even not expensive. It's about 20 to 30 bucks. So really worth the money. The tool. The sucking nipple, where you put the compressed air. And here's the hands-free trick. Yeah, that was it. You don't need to move any brake lever. The pressure is so strong that it sucks out all the brake fluid. Very ingenious. Highly recommended to everybody. Add the compressed air hose to the tool. Put that sucker on the nipple. Open the nipple and suck. Always use a textile because it's a mess every time. Just fill it up until it comes out here. As soon as it is here, you can close the nipple and you're done. No need to move any lever. So, let's see if it did work. Oops. And we have full brake power. If there will be still a bubble, an air bubble in it, you would not be able to block it. Yeah, that was it. So easy. Wait a little bit. Take out the hose. More. And close it. It's a 17. Not too hard. It's plastic.